Hi everyone, welcome to our Power Teacher Pro series for Edmonton Catholic teachers. In today's video, we will learn how to make and use our own comment bank within Power Teacher Pro. It's important to remember that in Edmonton Catholic schools, we provide two types of comments. The first is called a teacher comment or term comment in Power Teacher Pro or Power School. The goal of this term comment is to inform those who will view this child's record that the child receives special programming, such as special accommodations, because they are on a PLP or IPP. Basically, the term comment is programming details. The second type of comment is in the form of written feedback, intended specifically for a particular student about a particular assignment or task. The goal of this written feedback is to first help the student refine or improve their knowledge, understanding, and/or skill, and second, to give parents an idea of how they might support their child in their learning. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to first create our own comment bank, second, add a term comment for students with special programming, and 3, add a comment for a specific assignment. To create our own comment bank or to add comments to our own comment bank, we're going to click Settings, Comment Bank. There are two tabs. My Comments shows the comments I've already added to my own bank. These are comments I know I'll use again and again. Having them here is a good starting point for me, especially on those days when I'm tired and I'm getting a little writer's block, and it also helps me to streamline my feedback giving process. The second tab here shows these rather outdated district comments which do not align with pedagogically sound practice. Please ignore these right now. They will be deleted at some point this school year. All right, let's create some comments. Start on the My Comments tab, click Add, and enter a code. In this case, I'm going to write a form comment for a student who receives accommodated programming and is on a IPP or PLP. So I'll make the code this. Then I'll use the sample comment my Power Teacher Pro lead at my school gave me and highlight the name in the example. Because I want to apply this comment to multiple students over time, and I do not necessarily want to have to worry about tracking, changing the names and pronouns, I'll use Smart Text. Smart Text works for first name, last name, pronouns, etc. To add a term comment, ensure that programming details for a student remain visible during the entire year. Click Grading, All Reporting Terms. Click on the cell of the student for whom I need to share programming details. Click the comment icon in the top right corner of the score inspector, then click Show Comment Bank. Click the gear icon and choose My Comments. The form comments I've written will now appear. Click the plus sign and the entire comment appears in the comment box under the student's name. I can edit this as I like so the details are accurate for that student. Notice that with Smart Text, the student's name and pronouns have automatically been inserted in the correct places. If I want to access my entire comment bank from the score inspector, I'll just come over here, click that gear icon again, and now click Manage Comments. So now I'm going to add the second form of comment. This process is the same, where I'm going to click Add. I'm going to give it some sort of code. And when I write it, it's going to be regarding a specific learning outcome or task I know I will use repeatedly. So in this example, I will create, my class will create an infographic about global citizenship and how to reduce waste in our world. I'll use the code feed, but really I could use whatever works for my system of organizing my form comments. So I could use ELA, math, science, I could use literacy, numeracy, it doesn't matter. Next, I'll type the comment using Smart Text as appropriate and click Save. Now I can go back to Grading, Assignments, and click on the assignment I'd like to score. So here's a quick review for you on how to score an assignment. First, go through each outcome, adding the levels of achievement for your outliers first. Most of the time, our outliers are the ones who are not proficient, and most students are the ones who are going to have proficient. I've entered all my outliers. Now I'm going to enter PR for proficient and click the vertical fill button in the score inspector. Do this for all the outcomes associated with this task. I haven't shown this here, but you get the idea. And then we're going to indicate that this assignment has been handed in and marked using the collected only flag, and then fill down again. So now let's go back to giving feedback via comments. Click on the cell for the student under the score column, click the comment icon, click the plus button to add the comment of choice to the student. Use the down arrow to move to the next student and repeat as needed. Well, that's a lot for today, everyone, so I think we'll end it there. Thanks for watching. Please do give us a call if you have any questions. We're always at St. Peter's Center. Have a great day.